I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start on clean, moisturized skin, primer if you want longer wear. Take the Bobbi Brown Color Corrector and pick the precise shade. Peach cancels blue, bisque softens purple. Using a small brush or your ring fingertip, dot a pea-size amount onto the targeted area. Press gently. Don't rub, you want coverage without moving product. Once done, blend the edges outward in light tapping motions so the corrector sits under foundation instead of on top. Once the first layer is blended, assess coverage and add another thin layer only where needed. Less is better than cakey. You should tap to press the product into skin, then soften edges with a damp sponge for seamless transition. Make sure each pass settles for 10 to 15 seconds so oils and pigments marry. After blending, apply foundation sparingly over the corrected area, using a stippling motion to avoid lifting the product. This builds natural look. You finish by setting the corrected area with a light dusting of translucent powder. Hold the press to avoid moving product. If you notice creasing, warm the corrector slightly with your fingertip and reblend gently with a sponge. This relaxes the layer and smooths texture. If the color reads too intense, dilute by applying a thin layer of foundation over it and reblend edges. Finally, check in different lighting. Make sure everything reads natural and adjust lightly where needed. You're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.